Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have swatches of the Saki Lacquer Halloween trio nail polishes. Sarah Kim from Saki Lacquer sent me her new releases. This is her Halloween trio, and in today's video I will of course show you live swatches on my natural nails, and I will also leave you all the details about the release date and the polishes themselves in the description box, so please feel free to check it out. But if you do have any questions, please leave them for me in the comment section. If you do enjoy swatch videos, then please give me a thumbs up, and if you're new here and you haven't subscribed to me yet, then I would appreciate if you hit the subscribe button as well before you leave. I love this time of the year. Halloween is probably my favorite holiday, and I have few Halloween collections coming your way, so definitely stay tuned. And out of these three polishes, I think Best Witches is my personal favorite, but all three of these polishes are absolutely beautiful. Opaque on 2 to 3 coats with the carving pumpkins. The glitter pieces are a little bigger, so you may have to play a little bit with the glitter placement, but it's not anything difficult. And as you will see in my swatch portion, they tend to lean towards one side, but I had no issues moving them around. So if you do not like the way how they lay on your nails, you can certainly manipulate them a little bit around, but I had no problem with the application of any of these polishes, and you will definitely need a good top coat for all three of them. So let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite, and if you will be checking out Saki Lacquer's Halloween trio nail polishes. But I think that's it for my rambling, so continue watching the swatch portion and I will be back for a bit some more soon. So thank you, bye bye.